Alright guys, we're on Hollywood Boulevard at the address code 7021. I think we have an elevator here. Let's take a ride on it. It seems better days. Over here it is. Huh. Wow. This thing is vandalized. And it's Schindler. P1.
Well, I think this is Schindler Town. Or is it a Mitsubishi Town?
No, we might find another elevator in this place. This probably gotta be one that goes up. This is really weird. Oh, there's two over there. Huh. Well, that was kind of weird. Yeah, let's keep filming. This is gonna be like an elevator tour now. At this nice, lovely shopping center. And we want to go down as well. So the buttons here. The ThyssenKrupp. I think this one might be going down, but it used to be Westinghouse, I'm guessing. ThyssenKrupp got the hands on it. What floor are you guys heading to?
Gee, I think it.
P2.
P2.
Thank you.
Probably used to be Schindler, minus by ThyssenKrupp. Yep, this is the racing mod, so. P2.
Thank you.
No problem. It's a Kruppy mod. Alright, we gotta listen to this motor going up. There we go, key. What, this probably used to be Schindler. Modernized by ThyssenKrupp. Huh. Stop at P2. Stop at P2. Going up?
Yep, we're going up.
Ground floor, right?
Ground floor, yes, please. Thank you.
Got a lot of people going in.
Claustrophobic shoe trips.
Oh my.
I'm not an elevator fan.
Oh my god, I stopped.
No, that doesn't freak me out. It's a closed space. And then when somebody tall stands in front of you, it's like,
And we're stopping.
there. I will punch you. I will.
This is P1.
After you.
You getting out?
We're gonna, yeah, this, no,
Yeah,
we're
we're good. We're good up. Well, never mind.
Thank you.
That's crazy.
Staying in?
We're gonna have G.
Yeah, we're gonna have a G. I was about to push it or close the button. Oh well. Whoa. Nice scam. Ground floor. Not sure about key, but we'll have to see if we can. Look at this! They put another elevator for LA Fitness, but oh well, that's it.